What is startup success for you?
Grabe yun yata pinakamahirap na tanong.
Miss Universe question.
I guess, ang hirap, hirap.
Siguro ano na lang, parang how do you say na naa-achieve ni Agricraps yung parang gusto niyang gawin for the farmers?
Okay, numerically, I think for us kasi yun nga may co-op, may community, eh. Yung dun sa community na yun, once na nirelease mo na sa kanila, dun muna namin malalaman numerically yung halimbawa yung kita nila at the same time yung dami nung ano nila nung, like nabebenta nila in terms of siyempre kilos din, numerical nga, eh. So siguro dun. But overall, I guess it will be actually yun nga, eh, numerical.
Yeah. Sir, what is startup success for you?
Startup success for me, it's just really, you're just out in the world and you see your product in the wild. No, so I think that's the most exciting point. And we are still starting out. We're still launching with Polka Motors. Hopefully, very soon that will happen with our team as well.
What is startup success for Burkett? How do you say that Burkett is successful in doing its business or its job?
Me as a customer success associate, I see the success of Burkett na wala kaming day na meron kaming zero sign-up. So,
Oh.
he's really interested with Burkett, and that proves within the sign-ups that we have every day. And to think na walang zero sign-up within every day, nakakatuwa kasi a lot of people is very interested with Burkett.
Oh, that's nice, pero that's nice. Walang zero na day.
Yeah.
Laging may everyday may nagiging bagong aware. Hindi
Yeah.
lang aware, may nagsa-sign up, eh. So, ini-explore din and may parang very interested din sa ginagawa talaga ni Boo.
Yeah.
Medyo personal naman, what is startup success for you?
Mhm. Medyo medyo deep pa. Startup success for me, um, it's not really just about the money, eh. Pero technically, yes, startup is a business. But for me, startup success is more on the impact and the value that you bring to the people and to the customers that are needing your services. So if na-address mo nga yung pain point nila, then you're doing something good. Then of course, syempre plus na lang dun if you're really earning.
Yeah, yun naman na yun. Basically to bring value to the ecosystem.
Yeah, exactly.
And at the same time, kailangan yung i-sustain operations nyo. That's why
Yep.
you need to be profitable.
Yeah.
Medyo personal question. What is startup success for you?
Ang startup success sa amin ay para sa akin, ang startup success ay yung tipong makikita mo na nayu-utilize ng client mo yung produkto mo. Hindi in terms of kung gaano kadami, gaano kaunti, gaano kataas ang benta.
True. I agree.
Ang gusto ko talagang makita ay mapakinabangan nila. Actually merong bumabalik sa amin ng power station. Naka-video to sa Facebook na more than a year na hindi ginamit at nasayang yung battery. Ako nanghihinayang gusto. Kasi sabi ko, kaya ko binili dito para magamit nila. Sabi ko, sir, gamitin niyo yan. Kailangan niyo gamitin yan. Kahit pang-electric fan lang, pambawas ng bill ng kuryente ninyo, gamit mo na. So, doon ko na-realize, sabi ko parang iba talaga yung dating sa akin na iba yung feeling na nakikita mo na natutuwa sila.
Grabe. Yung fact na yun, parang hindi ka lang basta-basta talaga gumagawa ng startup to earn, pero you're with the heart as well. Filipino invention with the heart din. Hindi totoo, pero by the way, yung pag pag kailangan mong gamitin yung battery, at konti lang every once in a while.
Yes, oo naman. Ang ano niyan ay parang parang tao din yan, na 'pag hindi mo ginamit, magde-deteriorate yung kanya. 'Pag nagtagal ay hindi na siya gagana. Although na-rectify naman namin yung gano'ng sa mga later versions. Kasi yung version na yun, 2021 version pa naman yun. So, upgraded naman na yung system namin sa 2024 na kaya magtagal ng mga 6 months, 1 year. Pero still, kahit na gano'n pa rin siya, gusto ko pa rin sa mga clients na gamitin. Pang electric fan, pang wifi router man lang. Sayang kasi.
So, medyo personal question in building the startup. What is startup success for you?
For me, yung success talaga, it's serving kung ano yung why you started the startup talaga eh. For us, sa pangalan pa lang kasambahay. So we really, really want to help people or mga kasambahays to uplift them, to upskill them para mas gumanda po yung buhay ng mga those looking for work.
Kaya if I remember correctly, more than connecting, actually kaya revolutionary Kasam for me eh. More than connecting the homeowners to the kasambahays, it's also giving dignity, kumbaga. And kumbaga, kasi minsan we somehow, as a country, parang medyo, I'm not sure how to say the politically right terms, pero parang medyo hindi maayos yung pagtingin natin sa mga kasambahay. When in fact, they are very important. They do important roles in the household, right?
Kasi underserved market siya, parang
Mm.
madalas siya na-overlook kasi parang hindi ganun kataas yung tingin sa kasambahay when in fact, they're the most people na kailangan dependable.
Mm.
Kasi everyday kasama mo sila sa house, sila mag-alaga ng mga parents mo, ng mga anak mo. So, it's very, very important and napaka-integral ng work nila for you to function every day.
Mm.
Kasi hindi ka naman talaga makagalaw kung walang magpapantay sa mga people important to you. So,
Mm.
it's very, very important na i-respect mo yung mga kasambahay mo. Especially yung mga long tenured.
Mm.
Wala nang ganun ngayon. Sobrang swerte na yung mga parents natin ng mga 10 years, 15 years na kasama mo sa house. Yung parang nanay mo na, second mother mo na.
True.
Sobrang talaga yung part of the family na yun and you're very lucky to have them. And right now, hopefully through this app, you can find someone like them also for the
Yeah.
next generation.
Yeah, amazing if you really get connected to the kasambahay that will stay for you for the rest of your life.
Yes, exactly. Part of the RDOST grant, we have a personality test.
Oh.
Match yung personality ng kasambahay.
Oh.
Owner, di ba? Mas maganda yung fit, di ba? Mas bagay sila.
Oh,
So,
interesting.
we're trying our very best to talaga na parang maganda yung match na hindi aalis agad. Or yung mga
Oh.
kasambahay for that one.
Ganda na. Kasi parang ano rin siya parang if bagay talaga sa yung kasambahay and the kasambahay is happy, hindi niya aalis. Ba't pa siya aalis, di ba?
Exactly. So, parang we're trying to find a right home for the kasambahay to be part of the family. It's something that we're trying to do.
Super interesting. Ayun, maiba tayo na onti, sir. What is startup success for you?
Start success for me is once you have actual users who are also providing insights or parang solutions or improvements dun sa product mo. Kasi of course, with any product, right, hindi naman nothing is perfect. So, kailangan mo i-improve. And if your merchants or your clients are actually helping you, because they see some value dun sa offer or service or product that you're selling, and they want to further improve then yung success for
Actually, yung users nga talaga kasi I mean sila yung gagamit niyan at the end of the day eh. So yung feedback nila that's actually for you din and for them din
So, kung startup ka and then you have customers who are actually using your product and then providing you insights to improve. Kasi that even yung mga features namin, some of the features that we have came from our existing told us na, okay, ito mas better to you.
So that's
Sila yung client na display na nagsist. And maybe sila na product.
yeah, but that's a true blue startup na talagang kung ano yung demand, ano yung problem ng customer, yun yung gagawin nyo and baka maraming customers, maraming iba pa na ganun yung problema. So kaya gagana yung startup for many others. So maiba tayo onti sir So what is startup success for you? Or how do you say that Wiser is kumbaga na-achieve niya yung what it's meant to do?
Okay. Usually, maraming measurement ng startup success. So, number one dito is, happy yung mga customer mo and you are able to solve yung mga pain na na-experience sa mga customer mo. And they keep coming back for you. So, yung tingnan mo magiging success. And they are happy using your product.
Ang customers ni Wiser Bali is mga mga laundry
Laundry
shop.
shop.
So these are like the neighborhood laundry shops din.